Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner displaying the P2018 code? This code means the intake manifold runner position sensor circuit on bank 1 is producing a low voltage signal which prevents the OBD-II from accurately detecting the runner flap position and managing airflow properly. P2018 stands for intake manifold runner position sensor, switch circuit low, bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving a weaker than expected signal from the runner position sensor on bank 1. This can result in incorrect intake airflow control and reduced combustion efficiency inside the engine. Common symptoms include check engine light on, rough idle, reduced engine power, sluggish acceleration, and poor fuel economy. The engine may also feel less responsive due to improper air intake regulation. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The intake manifold runner position sensor on bank 1 is located on the intake manifold actuator assembly near the cylinder head. The actuator controls the internal runner flaps, and the position sensor tracks their movement and sends feedback signals to the OBD-II. The wiring harness runs from the sensor across the engine bay to the OBD-II and is often exposed to heat, oil, and vibration, which can cause voltage drop issues. For quick diagnosis, begin by scanning live data using an OBD-II scanner and checking runner position voltage readings. Then inspect the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, loose connections, or damaged insulation that may cause low signal voltage. After that, test the sensor voltage supply and ground circuit using a multimeter. If the sensor output is weak or inconsistent, replacement may be necessary. Finally, repair any wiring faults, clear the code, and perform a proper road test to confirm accurate intake runner monitoring. Remember, the most common causes of P2018 are low voltage supply, faulty runner position sensor, or damaged wiring on bank 1. Timely repair will restore accurate airflow feedback, improve engine efficiency, and ensure smooth performance.